So now after playing the voice, I just want you to listen and then see if you will hear it okay. So as you can hear, it is totally silent and then you did not hear them making the noise, okay? So this is how I did it. Over here, I'm a YouTuber and then I create contents during midnight, okay? So what happens is that when there is rain, mostly the cricket comes out, they make noise. When I'm recording, then they are making the noise, it disturbs it. So what I have realized is that whenever I play something on the telly or on my laptop, like something that it's a human that is speaking, they stop the noise. But if it is total silence and then nobody is talking, then they will start creeping and then making the noise. So in my experience, what I think can make cricket stop noise or for you to stop hearing their noise is to just find, let's say, a speaker or anything and then play something that human is speaking. Let's say you are watching telly or anything, okay? So this is my experience and it's been working for me. So you can also try it and see what I'm talking about, okay? So after trying it, I just want you to come and then comment down in the video section